Material from the second break.
Welcome to Inside the Process channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process. Okay, the second break is looking good. Consistent grind, good separation.
Material from the second break mill returns to another level of plan sifters for further classification. The shaking sifters separate newly released flour.
These high-precision sifters separate flour into different grades. Ultra-fine white flour passes through the finest.
Coarser particles requiring additional grinding are conveyed back to another set of reduction rollers. This closed-circuit system ensures maximum flour extraction.
करंटी सीखने का करते हैं एडी का साथ हूं और से पिस्सन ही पूरी टलती है जिक्सा भी सरल की जो
Meanwhile, bran particles separated during sifting are collected separately via conveyors into a bran storage area.
The blended whole wheat atta passes through a final sifting stage to ensure uniform particle size and texture.
Atta is pneumatically conveyed to hoppers above packaging machines, ready for filling.
After passing all inspection points, the Atta packets continue on the conveyor toward a collection area, where they'll be grouped for carton packing.
This automated system ensures precise packing and significantly boosts our production efficiency.
Case weight verification. Quality assurance. Correct count confirmed.
ये सारे स्विच स्टोन ही थके प्ले ओके जे लाग निकलता है देश को बटन में शॉट सीनली सार्कल से इतने डेटे सेल की सारी सावध लगाते हैं इन लीकर का दाफो चलती यहाँ सदम नहीं की है This center आपकी चेती है कबर स्पीकर मुंडे चारी उसी जल कर करिएगा और इतने बेके बार एक और थप्पड़ कैन का बसा बोथे किच काम से दर्शाया अब से वो समुद्र में कास्ताई थोचोते वरात करते हैं
The moisture content of this atta is 12.35%, ensuring good shelf life and quality.
Color consistency is key for our whole wheat atta. This colorimeter provides objective
Okay, so this one's showing optimal enzyme activity, which is great for baking performance. Let's get these results recorded.
घटना के साथ जलस्तर वक्त चाहता है कि कुछ नगे Dasifrin sar ani anasnate. Busgar denki fadili according.
This preventive maintenance ensures our equipment operates reliably and efficiently.
This person is not aggressive test is battery might go and 5 million those service. DCC fight the say gap for days pound.
Proper handling procedures and safety protocols are critical in our daily operations.
Make sure you check the levels on machine 3. It was running a bit high.
Got it. Anything else to note for batch 7B?
Just the usual, keep an eye on the pressure.
I heard we're getting a bonus this quarter.
Oh, really? That's great news. Let's check the output on line 3. Looks good from here, boss.
Okay, this cardboard goes here, and the plastic film in the yellow bin. Make sure it's clean.
We ensure that all our whole wheat Atta meets the highest quality specifications before it's shipped. Data analysis helps us maintain this standard.
From farm to table, our whole wheat Atta is packed with care, ready for your home.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.